we're at that stage now where I've got to figure out what this whole project has cost over 7 months. As you can see, there's quite a few multiple invoices here or receipts. So what I'm going to do is add them all up and we're going to see the cost. So it really is an interesting one, whether you, depends if you just want a classic motorcycle. You could probably pick one up for a bargain, to be honest with you. What state it's in is another issue. So really a restoring one, I'm guessing is not going to be any cheaper than buying one that's already been restored. But as I say, to what degree? I've done this because I enjoy restoring things. But yeah, it'll be just interesting to see what the bills really have come to. So I can reveal to you the cost of that motorcycle was £2,000. He wanted a bit more, but I said 2,000 was where I was going to, what I was willing to pay. He was happy with that. So there were quite a few things on that motorcycle that actually ended up staying on that a lot, like the tires, the rims, all the airbox. There was a lot. There was quite a lot. So I was expecting it to be a fairly cheap restore. So yeah, we'll add all this up now. So I was quite surprised. It wasn't too bad. It was
£1,370.
okay. So with £2,000 for the bike and the parts was 3,370. Call it £3,400. That's excluding labor, that's excluding electricity, that's and special tools. So call it 4,000 all in. I would say would be a reasonable cost, which is probably what you could pick up a 350 Norton, 350 Enfield for similar price. But again, it would really depend on how good it is or how bad it is. And you think that one's quite good, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good for its it's good for its price.
Good for its price, I agree. One of the big things you do when you are building a motorbike like this and you're taking things off and putting things on again, all the paintwork that you've done on the bike starts to get compromised in places. So detailing is something that I'm going to be taking you through.